Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today video I'm going to be showing how to make this delicious noodle soup. So yeah, let's get to the ingredients. So the ingredients are just simple one. Like I said, I'm going to be using this tagliatelle called in Italy. It's a pasta that looks like noodles, as you can see there. You can go ahead and use noodles, okay, or you can use any pasta of your choice for this chicken soup. Yeah, so the next ingredient I'm going to be using is carrots, celery, bay leaf, some chicken stock, extra virgin of olive oil, salt, garlic, onion, chicken himself, chicken breast, and the spices, which I'm going to be listing at description, guys. So the first thing I'm going to do is to add oil on a cooking pan over the heat. Allow the oil to heat up a little. Then I'm going to be adding the onion, garlic, stir them, then add my chopped carrot and celery. Now I'm adding the garlic, then I will add the carrots and celery into the pot. So after adding the carrots and the celery into the pot, go ahead and stir them and allow them to cook for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, I'm going to add the chicken. You can use a whole chicken breast, like the one that has still have bone in, okay? Or you can use this sliced one. So I'm going to throw in the bay leaf after the chicken. Now I'm going to be adding my rosemary, parsley, thyme, salt as well. So depends on the spices that you want to add into the seasoning that you want to add into your soup. So just go ahead and add. I'm also going to be adding some basil leaf. Yes, but I'm adding frozen one, not fresh one, not dry one. But you can use dry one or fresh one, okay? All you need to do is just to pack that soup with a lot of good flavor. So after adding everything, go ahead and stir everything together until they are well combined, okay? So after that, I'm going to be adding my chicken stock. But if you don't want to use chicken stock, you can go ahead and add water into it. I'm using this 1000 ml of it because I want the soup to be more, and I love to cook them for a couple of time, okay? So after adding the liquid, I'm going to stir everything. Check if the salt is enough. If the salt is not enough, go ahead and add more salt into it. Then I'm going to put the lid on right now and put the heat down. Like I love to cook my soup on a minimum heat. So I will put the heat down now and allow them to cook for 25 minutes to 30 minutes. But after 20 minutes, the chicken is already cooked. I'm going to remove the chicken from the pot and shred the chicken to add them back into the pot. But if you're using the already sliced one, you don't have to remove them to shred them. You can just allow them to continue cooking. But I want to just like make them a little bit more piece. Yeah. So here is me using the knife and the fork to shred the chicken just to make them a little bit more tiny. Okay. So I'm going to be adding the chicken back into the soup right now. and start cooking them again until they complete that 30 minutes that I wanted in, or until you know that the carrot and the celeries are cooked. Okay, so here is me testing if the salt is enough, which is enough. So here is the soup is cooked, so I'm adding the pasta at the last minute. This pasta is asked to cook, tagliatelle is asked to cook for 3 minutes. So depends how much minutes your own or the noodle is going to be cooked. So add them at the last minute when the soup is properly cooked. So I'm just going to allow the noodle or the pasta to cook. After 3 minutes, this is me stirring everything together. The soup is well cooked and is so delicious, perfect for this cold weather. Yes. So guys, that is all for this video. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and make sure you give it a try and let me know what you think about it. Thank you all for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and I will see you all in my next video. Enjoy. Bye.